Now you can go.
I'll pull you up, okay?
Say our new address.
3506 Tennessee, 3506 Tennessee, 3506 Tennessee.
Where's your school?
Lafayette, baby!
It's close. We can walk to it.
And we can walk to it.
Just a few blocks up the street.
And that's right away. Goodbye. And come on. And,
Baby Fields is on the front porch and it's pack and play.
bye.
Daddy's working.